Copywriters are all worried about AI. They think that it will soon take over their jobs, but that could not be further from the truth. But here's the catch. You still have to master AI. It helps you complete your projects more efficiently and gets them to the finish line 10 times faster. Modern AI tools like Copywhiz help generate world-class human-like copy in seconds, which, as you can see from the demo, sounds exactly like a real copywriter. But they won't take over copywriters for two main reasons. Number one, business owners don't have time to figure around with AI tools in the first place. They'd rather pay experts to handle it for them. And number two, AI still needs that final 5% polishing. Even though Copywhiz.ai is a tool that generates pretty much ready-to-rock copy, it may require a few tweaks. And this is where you come in. So, to sum it up, will AI replace copywriters? The answer is no. Will it make their tasks 10 times easier? The answer is a resounding yes.